Hi, I'm going to quickly use this session to examine Microsoft Teams. Now, Microsoft Teams is a collaborative and communication application developed by Microsoft, and it is basically a tool which can be used for video messaging, video chats, file storage, and file sharing, among other things. It is also one of Microsoft's answers to the popular video messaging or video meeting applications such as Zoom, Cisco WebEx, GoToMeeting, and the others. Now, once you have a GC Foster College email address, you have access to Microsoft Teams, and we are going to look at how you will utilize this feature. So, to access Microsoft Teams, you first need to log into your college email. And we log into our college email by going to the college website, which is located at gcfc.edu.jm. That's step one. Step two is to select the email link from the college website, and that is located in the upper right corner of the page. The link is also in black, and if you look at my mouse cursor, you should see my mouse cursor hovering above the link for email. So we're going to click on email. It should take us to the Office 365 page, and I'm going to select my email address because I have used this page before and the email address is cached in there. If you have not used this page before, or if your email address has not been cached, you will get something looking like this screen. You will type in your email address and your password, and it should take you to the next step that you will see. So I'm going to select my email address, type in my password. Once you do that, you should get something looking like this. Not what you saw a while ago, this. All right. I always tell my computer not to keep me signed in because I always want to remember my password. So I use my password every time that I log in, and that keeps it stored in long-term memory. All right. So when you have successfully logged into your Office 365 email address, you'll be presented with the Outlook interface. But what we need to do is to gain access to Microsoft Teams, and that is not here. To do that, we click on the ellipsis in the top left-hand corner. The application calls it the App Launcher. Once you click on it, you will get some apps, and amongst the apps, you will see Teams. We'll select Teams. Microsoft Teams may sometimes take some time to initialize, especially if it is the first time that you're using the application. And you will get some options. Now, Teams has a Windows app, it has a web app, and it also has a mobile app. Mobile app is for mobiles, the web app is for web devices. So whether desktop, tablet, and the desktop app is specifically for desktops. So I already have the desktop app installed on the computer. I don't want it to want to show you that route because you may not have the application installed on your computer. I want to show you how to still use the application if it is not installed on your machine. So I'm going to use the web app instead. So I'm going to select use the web app instead, and I should get a page looking like this. You should get a page looking like this, and then we will navigate to the calendar. Once we select the calendar, we have two options. New meeting is used to schedule recurring meetings. However, I'm going to do it the quick and easy way. My class is 10 minutes time. I want to schedule a meeting now. I'm going to select meet now. Once I select meet now, it automatically takes me to the pre-setup of the meeting. It grabs my name and meeting, it starts it with meeting with. I can change that if I want to by highlighting it and typing whatever I want to type in there. I can select if I want my video to be turned off or my microphone to be turned off, just in case there's some background noise and I don't want it to carry into the meeting once the meeting begins. And then from that, and from there, I can select join now. So I have started the meeting. It's connecting. I am now in. All right, so I have started a meeting. The next thing that we're going to look at is how to invite persons to this meeting that you have started. So that is in part 2 when we examine the interface of the Microsoft Teams application. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for part